How we doing, fellow gearheads? So, past few videos, you may have seen that I did some exhaust work on the truck, and that consisted of basically taking the mufflers off because they were a little too quiet. As driving it around, it was just ear-piercingly loud. It sounded sick, but it was just insanely loud. So I put on some FlowMaster Outlaw mufflers, and I'm gonna let you guys have a listen. But before we do that, I need to show you what's going on because the title of the video probably doesn't make sense with the thumbnail. So this does in fact have a LS based 5.3 in it with a Brian Tooley stage 2 cam in it, allegedly. I didn't do any of this, so I bought it this way. I just did the exhaust work. I am not a pro welder by any means. It is a true dual setup here with an H pipe. 2 3-inch FlowMaster Outlaw mufflers. And the weird thing about these is that right about in here, there's a solid baffle. And you can't see straight through them, which surprised me. But they're still pretty loud. I'm gonna set you guys down over here and let you have a listen. So she sounds pretty rowdy. So now I'm gonna take you on a bit of a road test and hear the in-cab noise and get you switched over to the GoPro. I'm gonna head down the road here and fucking retard. Let's go. Oh, yeah. That was cool, dude. Nice turn signal. Fuck. Granted, I wasn't using my turn signal either. That's just because it's broken. Alright, I'll shut up here. Alright, drop down to the third. It still screams, but it's not as crazy loud as before. And roll the window up here a little bit. How low this thing is geared,
fast and get up and go to her. It's just a little sketchy because the steering's 60 years old and so are the brakes. But hey, let's put 400 horsepower behind it. All right, so I think that's going to do it for today's video. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.